So this is a topology of the project. On the left side is a host PC which is on public. In the middle between the public and private part is a firewall. Whenever the user from host PC want to access the web server, it must go through the firewall and the right side of the private part where the web server is connected to the database. This is where we assign the IP address for ENP0S3 and IP address for ENPOS8. If config to check either the IP address is assigned. An MCL ID is a command line tool for controlling network manager. This is a command to check the active zone of the open network on firewall. At zone DMZ, as you can see, is only allowing SSH. So we are going to add another two services, which is HTTP and HTTPS. The command used to enter the VI editor. In VI, you must be able to see this one line. Copy them and exit the VI. Type in sysctl-w followed by the line that you already copied just now and hit enter, and we are done with packet forwarding. This command line will remove port 8 to port 80 to IP address 192.168.10.10. So this is the Apache of the welcome page for the firewall. On the web server, use this command to assign the IP address. Change the boot proto from DHCP to static and add IP address, broadcast, netmask and network. Don't forget to change on boot from no to yes. Yum install PHP php-mysqlnd to enable myslqnd for PHP. Inside the PHP file, add the hostname, username, password, DB and DB connect as shown. This line is to check either we have a connection with the database. Here is the simple PHP and HTML code that I have configured. Use this command to turn on the network connect and network connect DB. And use this command to check either both network are turned on. Here is the result of ping from web server to database and the result of ping from firewall to web server. Assign the IP address for database. If config to check if the IP address is already changed. Yum install Mariadb/server to install the database server. MySQL script will return this result, which verifies that you are accessing MySQL server. To grant all privilege of database for a newly created user. This is we review all the user. MySQL user.p. This is to show the database. Result of ping from database to web server. So this is the result, and this is the student management system, and the user will need to key in their first name, last name and email address, then click submit. And all the database will be stored here.